Hi, I'm Suze. Thanks for stopping by. If you are new here, I was recently laid off and I am learning to navigate my new reality. I expect this will be a pretty short video. Just wanted to give you an update. Um, medical has been interesting. Because of the job change, later in the year, and the changes in the subsidies from the current administration, I don't qualify for the Affordable Care Act. And COBRA is insurance that is equal to the insurance you had with your day job, except you pay all of the expenses and fees, etc. That cost is more than my mortgage payment. And so it kind of leaves me in a lurch. I contacted a medical broker to try to help me figure this out. There are indemnity policies, which isn't insurance. It just reimburses you a small amount if an accident happens and you go in the hospital. But unfortunately, it doesn't cover very much, from what I can tell. And I could go without any insurance, which I've done, in my 20s and 30s. It didn't seem to be an issue, but I'm not 20 or 30 anymore. And so have to think about things. If I got in an accident and I didn't have any insurance and I can't qualify for emergency Medicaid, because that's a pretty low income dollar amount to qualify for that, then I would just be on the hook for, could be $100,000 maybe. And, I know people who have lost everything because of, they got cancer or medical emergency or something like that. And I don't have a huge retirement savings, but I don't know that I am willing to risk all of that. And so I might have to just bite the bullet and pay for COBRA out of a retirement savings account. And it's unfortunate, but it will maybe be how it has to be, because I don't know that I'm willing to risk my financial future, especially if I can't get another job or other income, on the potential that I might have an accident. And, would only be for about 8 months. I expect that next year, provided there's no more changes in the Affordable Care Act subsidies, that I would qualify then for assistance at that point, because my income will be significantly less. Wasn't a huge income, but it was more than the poverty level that is required at the moment. So anyway, it's a weird world. It's a weird world. I don't know. We'll see. I'm meeting with a medical broker in a couple weeks, and I'll update you. If you have any suggestions, feel free to put them in the comments below. This is definitely a shorter video and not a particularly happy one. This is probably my third attempt to record this video over a few days, just because it's confusing. So anyway, I hope you all have a good week, and I'll see you next time.